Oh my god.
Divadlo.
Díky.
Dům.
Degustace.
Důchodce.
Důvod.
Doprava.
Do prdele.
Duha.
Divoky.
Deštník.
Dveře.
Důvtip.
Drak.
Datum.
Debil.
Domovník.
Dvorček.
Doktor.
Dement.
Debil.
I already said that.
No, we didn't.
Yeah.
I don't think you said it.
I promise you.
Diplom.
Den.
Diplomat.
Oh my god.
Dudlík.
Dřevo.
Dvorce.
How do you know that word? Divný.
Dentista.
Divoženka.
I don't know anymore. Turn it off.